All right, February 2nd, it's the first trading day of the month. Let's hope it's a good one. We got a pretty decent scanner today, or screener, whatever you like to call it. One I'm focusing on the most right here is FUSE. It's kind of the only one gapping up with news. DKI leading the pack with a 200% gap up, but again, no news on this one. It is a little cheaper, just broke $1. It's been trading kind of above and below it since last night, really, a pre-market high of 187, but that was at I was actually on Friday, I guess. So it's kind of just rallying since then. But back to FUSE, Fuse Mechanics and IBM, I believe, Platinum Partner, Module Air announced strategic partnership to deliver enterprise AI solutions powered by Fuse Machines AI Studio. So some kind of company merger project they're working on together. It involves AI. That's a pretty big catalyst these days. So definitely going to be watching this one at the top of my watch list. We also have SWVL Swivel, but it kind of found some resistance over here on the EMA and pre-market high area. It's kind of just on a downtrend on the daily, so we're going to see how that reacts to the VWAP. Hopefully it could trade up past the EMA, maybe surge past all these levels, and we can get a trade on that. Everything else is a little cheap, like, RPGL, we've been seeing this one since last week. A little cheap, kind of making a rally now towards the $1 mark. We'll see how that reacts to that price range. XTKG, Fat BP, they're all on the cheaper side. I'm not going to take these, especially sub 70, 80, 90 cents. The stock is 18 cents, so I'm definitely not trading that. Then we got a couple gappers with no news. Nothing crazy today, typical minimum momentum screener this morning. So let's hope we have a great start to the month and have a profitable Monday. So let's do it. Got about 60 seconds till the bell rings. We also had IPW gap up not too long ago, around 9 o'clock. So I've been watching that the last couple of minutes. Also seems pretty interesting. Getting a little expensive for my liking, but I really like this upwards trajectory. So IPW, SWVL, and FUSE are the three on the top of my watch list today. As the bell rings and I continue to watch, and if something happens, I will definitely give you an update on one of those three, or maybe even a live mover. So yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so we got Fuse booming through pre-market high, 277 it's marked. I really don't like these moves where it just straight green for 20-30% to open and then one little pullback. It's really extended. I have had pretty terrible experiences doing that, entering on those at least. Especially right now, we got 5 seconds left on the candle, and it has a huge top wick throughout pre-market high, so I probably will not be entering right here if it forms a pullback. I don't think so. I don't think that's wise. I don't think that's the way we want to start our month. I'm trying to look at the level 2 over here and see what's going on, but I'm really, really a noob when it comes to level 2. I should probably do some more research on that and watch some more YouTube videos on how to read it and how to use it to my advantage. I also have like 4 tabs open on 2 monitors, so it's kind of hard to see everything at once. I really could use a third one, but I'm kind of confined to this little corner in my room. I don't really have much space to do my trading. Yeah, really big top wick. Doesn't feel too safe here. I do like that bottom wick, but I do like this wedge, but I feel like every time when I see something and I take it and I know I shouldn't be, it never works out. And then when I see it and I know I shouldn't take it and I don't, it always works out. Like, it's super frustrating, but that's the name of the game, Really hoping it does like a bounce up off the EMA and surges back up, makes a new high, gives us a little pullback, and we can enter on this. The price is good. I love the price. $2-3. That's perfect for me. All right, let's see how it reacts to that previous resistance level over here. Holding its level a little well. This is the setup I wanted, but I really want to see it make a new high. Ooh, I don't like that. I would love to see it make a new high and find support off pre-market high. That'd be a perfect entry. RPGL is a little interesting, up 13% on the day, kind of forming this wedge on pre-market high. I really don't like this candle right here, 936, huge top wick, very high volume. Clear resistance around pre-market high as well with this one, but we're going to keep an eye on it. Yeah, I think this is too dodgy to take unless we close above, especially it's the same exact price range as Friday's loss. So I would be willing to take a trade if it presented itself, but I would definitely be super careful. We got some barcode ass price action over here on Fuse. All right. See, so much resistance. Come on, let's close above Holy barcode. Yeah, that's exactly what I said. All right. Okay. All right. What's going on over here now? Huge top wick. Very fast, volatile momentum over here. I mean, I'm not entering that if it's a pullback. I mean, look at that top wick. Clearly, there's a million sell orders there waiting for me. Yeah, like, fuck that, dude. I kind of missed it. I was looking at the Discord, but I like the wedge, but I feel like there's so many sell orders above us waiting. Yeah, it's buying up the dips pretty nice. Looks like it's going to close green, though. Oh, see, look at those sell orders waiting for you. But it is holding the level nicely. I just wish we didn't have that huge top wick in the beginning, dude. Oh, shit. Nah, bigger volume. No way, no way, no way. Bigger volume, clear resistance at 312. I can't enter that. Oh, we are skyrocketing now. Jesus. I mean, that's the entry that works, though. Like, and then look, another huge top wick. Like, this is just impossible. So frustrating, bro. The first pullback, the second pullback. Now it's the third pullback. Are we really going to enter here? Really frustrating seeing this go up so much and couldn't provide me one entry. It's going to be one of those days where it just gaps up 100% or goes up 100% and I don't get in. It's kind of extended, though, no? Like, a bigger pullback and a bounce up off the EMA I would like, I think. We need low volume, though, here. We need orders to slow down. Yeah, I like this. Fuck.
Order filled.
All right. We're in. Let's see how it reacts. Really want to see an increase in volume here. I don't like that top wick. Not at all. Maybe a surge to end the candle would be nice. Make a new high. Kind of resistance over there at 350. Yeah, I don't really like this at all. Bounce up off the EMA. Damn. Stopped out, bruh. Alright. Another L. I did see a lot of sell orders on the level 2. I don't know. I feel like there's nothing really I could have done for that one. 5.7% L, man. Should I be selling sooner? Like 350? I don't know. I gotta come back and look at this, man. Like, I don't really know where I went wrong here. I thought it was good. I mean, I thought this was I mean, I guess 1, 2, 3, the third pullback, we don't want to be entering on. I have said that before in the past. Alright, yeah, I'm filling out my journal. I mean, I don't really think this was a bad trade, dude. The only thing I don't like about it was that it was this first, second, now third pullback. I try and limit it to the first 2 pullbacks of the day. This setup I do kind of like right here. I thought that this was dodgy because, one, the setup, the topping tail, I'm sorry, right here, to begin the surge up. I do like the wedge, but then the red volume was just way higher than the last candle. Not way higher, but higher, you know? So that automatically eliminated it for me. Probably was the best setup of the day, as I definitely could have made some money there. I would have cashed out probably somewhere around there. This one I thought was a lot cleaner. So, you know, it kind of just happens like that. We're going to continue to watch, but I think I'm just going to take my ball and go home at this point. 5.7% loss. So RPGL kind of broke that pre-market high level, but had a huge sell-off. Now we're kind of fighting that same point over here under the EMA right now. Definitely won't be taking a trade on it unless it probably makes a new high and starts trading above $1, holds $1 well, maybe a pullback above there in between that 10-cent level, but I don't know. The more I look at this, the more I am convinced it was a solid trade, not the best trade. I mean, it was a little extended. It is the third pullback, but you know, I didn't lose too much money on it. I took small position size, so it is a little bit of a bigger trade, 5.7. I kind of try to keep them down to like 3-4-ish%. But, you know, we're kind of just trailing off, consolidating, giving me barcode price action right now. So I think that's it for this fabulous Monday. Not the way we wanted to start the month, not the way we wanted to start the week, but we'll be back tomorrow and we'll try again. You know, that's all we could do. So yeah, Fuse. Fuck Fuse. Fuck you, Fuse. I'm just kidding, Fuse. You're alright. If you pop up tomorrow and you want to give me some money, let me know, man. My brother will be here.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy, your chill neighbor. We're back. Took the L earlier, I know. It was a shitty one. The more I think about it, the more I get pissed off. I really wish I got in on one of those first two pullbacks, but there's nothing I can do about it now. You live, you learn, you move on, you prosper. That's what I'm trying to do. That's the mindset I'm trying to have with this whole trading journey. I cannot be focused in the past. I have to focus about the present and the future, more importantly. So tomorrow's a new day. I cannot wait to get my February back on track. After the trade, I did a little bit of reviewing, a little bit of journaling, a little bit of reading. It was a little crazy in the crib today. Had my brothers over, had my dad over. My mom was home from work today. So a lot of noise, a lot of commotion. Didn't really have a lot of time to do the whole vlogging thing. But I hit a nice gym session, some chest, some tries with my boy, with my father, and with my brother. So he was real packed up in there today. Didn't even have time to get a clip. Actually, I did get a clip of a little a tricep pull down, but I look like a fucking fairy in the video, man. I know no one's gonna watch this video anyway, but you know, by some crazy chance that this gets views, probably not gonna include the clip today from the gym. I will throw the steak in that I had for lunch. It was pretty good. Steak and some rice. It was cool. It was calm. And now we're out to work. So Monday shift closing up. Shouldn't be nothing too crazy. I close every Monday, so I'm used to this shit by now. I cannot wait for tomorrow. I'm so excited to get back on the charts. I will talk to you guys when I clock out. Maybe at the crib, maybe in the car. Who knows where I see you next. But I hope everyone's enjoying their Monday. Hope everyone has a fantastic night. And I will talk to you later.
Hold down.
Yo, another late upload. This is gonna be, boys. We had a rough one today at work. So I get there, bartender no shows, right? And I work with this chick. She's my manager, young girl, just like me. Good friend of mine, actually. Regardless, you know, the manager, she can't leave at night alone. And I usually head out at like 10 p.m. because that's when the kitchen closes. My serving duties are over, but the bar is open till 11:30. That's when the restaurant closes officially. So no bartender, no one's there to walk the manager out at 11:30. Your boy, your chill neighbor's got to stay there an extra 90 minutes to make sure she gets out okay, safe and sound, you know? They needed the big dog on the block. So yeah, I got fucked basically. I got stuck staying there an extra 90 minutes for really no solid reason. What can you do? 4:30 to 11:30, made about $200. So yeah, similar story as Friday. I am still profitable on the day. I didn't lose more money than I made today. So that's good. I will continue to trade with smaller size until I'm confident in my abilities to make more money than I could possibly lose in the long run, at least, you know, on a weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly basis. Hopefully I could even get that far. But yeah, you know, that's my day, Monday. Pretty shitty start to the week, pretty shitty start to the month. But, you know, you start bad, right? It can't get much worse than this. We only have room to go up. We're at the bottom right now. It's like we're buried alive. And we're going to dig our way out of this hole. And I got faith, man. I got a lot of faith in this month. I got a lot of faith in myself to turn it around. I'm excited to document the whole journey. It's going to be my first full month documenting this journey, this life-changing day trading process I'm doing. So I'm excited. And if you're excited and you're tuning in for the ride, let me know down below. Let me know that you're real and it's not a bunch of robots on YouTube and AI on the internet, because I'm really starting to think I'm the only one out there. I love you. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I hope you're having a beautiful night. Good night, and God bless.